back, everybody. It's already in the afternoon. We're gonna sleep late. I woke up late, but I'm gonna continue. So right now, what I'm gonna do is look at the pieces that I have, and then pretty much finish these. These that are almost completed boards. Just gonna add the either one or two missing sides, because some of them are missing only one side, one board, and others are just missing two. So I'm gonna do these and do these, and then I'm gonna do these, the yellow ones. All right, and then but I'm gonna, and then whatever I have left over, then I'll probably make one out of this one. And then I'll just use these to complete these right here. All right, everyone. So I'm just gonna go at it. Right here, I'm gonna have to do my markings for my 45-degree cuts, because I'm gonna join them, do like a triangle, and then fill them up. Fill them up with the ones that I bought in the trash bags, that is like made out of some type of organic material that is very this is like sawdust. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna use a sawdust, some insulator. I just thought about it right now that I mentioned that. We're gonna use this as well. We're gonna repurpose this. All right, everyone, I'm gonna go at it. I'm gonna find the woods, make my cuts, and then screw them on and complete them, and then just keep pushing it, because today I definitely have to start stuffing them and filling them in, and adding and then at the backboards too, and then start filling them in, doing the legs. All right, everyone. So see you in a bit. These are still sponging up. The blue ones are taking some time. Look, some are still really thin. And some already kind of came back, so we're gonna have to wait, and hopefully these sponge up. All right, everyone. I'm still waking up. I just wake and bake. I need a stretch, so I'm not all there. All right, everyone. I'll record once I done some progress. All right, peace, love, and laters. All right, welcome back, everybody. I'm gonna take my smoke break, drink, relax, and munch some leftover Pizza Hut from last night. Done with all the framing. These are just leftovers, just in case, but I will build some more frames out of these. But as far as everything else that I measured and I said I was gonna make a frame out of, here we go. Got this one done, got these done right here, top and bottom, got all of these done. And then I completed these. And I made these with the yellow ones. So this, I'm gonna make some, but I'm gonna take measurements specifically for the window or the door. But I'm gonna munch, and then I'm gonna start cutting the rubber, the carpet, the padding, and the insulation squares, and then just no, actually, before I do all that, I wish I could have got into that. Okay, when I'm done eating and I'm gonna go back at it again, I'm gonna put these, all of the back panels, all the plywood, all the boards. I'm gonna put them in all Yeah, because I have a whole bunch of them. I have this really big one here. I have two big ones. So I'm going to use all of this wood. I have to. But this is going to be the backing. And then I'm going to put the rubber mat. Then the insulation. Then the carpet padding. And then finally the foam. The acoustic foams. And yeah. But I'm going to take my break. I'm done. I've been sweating a lot. And yeah, I need to get some energy. Oh, and they got to charge too. Yeah, while they charge. I'm going to be munching, smoking. And then I'm going to come back and put all the the backing on all of them, and then I could start with the stuffing. All right, everyone. Woo, it's a work in progress. Yeah, but the measurements is gonna be for like that glass window, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 panels that I gotta do. One super long one, and then 2 on the side, and that should be sufficient wood right here. And then I got those other boards right there. So, all right, everyone. I'll check you out in a bit. I'm gonna munch and smoke and drink and chill, and then come back and go back at it until I can tonight. So then tomorrow in the morning, I guess just stuff them and put the fabric and then just. I have to clean the salon and leave it as it is, and then I could just start focusing on my side and pulling them up and all that good stuff. All right, everyone. Peace. Laters.